So we're back into corn harvest. We finished up on the home place last night, and we've moved on to one of our rented farms. And as I spoke of the last video, the weather is just gorgeous. I checked the moisture in this crop a week ago, not even a week ago. Today's Friday. I checked it on Sunday, and it was 17%. We just checked it here a minute ago, and we're thinking it's possibly down to 15.5%. Here's the combine coming. So we're gonna check the moisture here again in a few minutes. If it's at, well, 15.5, pretty much anything under 16%, we're just throwing it in the bin and turning the fans on. It's supposed to be nice for the next couple days, and be able to just bin it. Not have to use the dryer. We have other fields that were planted later, with different variety that I'm pretty sure and the weather's going to change. We're not going to, this beautiful weather we're having today is not going to stay. I believe the high today was 74 degrees on November 6th in central Minnesota. It's just gorgeous. So if this is a 45-acre field here. We'll get this done. Should get this done probably about halfway tomorrow. Our holdup is personnel. Just haven't got enough people. But I think we're having somebody come tomorrow that'll be able to run grain cart for us. My brother's gonna be in the combine, and I'm gonna be trucking it home. So this place is only about 2 miles from the main farm, so it's not too bad. Unfortunately, it's down kind of an icky road. I can't get the semi down here, but we don't have enough personnel to run a semi back and forth in either. So, all right. Thanks for watching. So we're back at corn this morning. We got some additional help today. My brother's wife is running the grain cart. It's only her second time running the grain cart, but she's unloading on the go and bringing it over to the truck and loading the trucks for us. It's a great asset. It's absolutely fabulous. And here we go. We should be coming in to get a load from the combine. And takes 3 loads out of the 3 hoppers out of the combine. Will fill the cart, and then she'll come over and unload into the dump truck. And that'll fill the dump truck, well, the truck and trailer. They hold about 500 bushel combined. Yeah, we really appreciate her help today. It's just making this corn harvest so much easier. And thanks for watching. Here they go, unloading on the go. Like I said, this is only the second time she's run grain cart for us. And the other time she ran grain cart, we didn't have to, we were at a far enough farm that unloading on the go just didn't add any real value. They could stop and unload and could beat the truck. They were always waiting on me, waiting on the truck. Today, this is working excellent. This is just awesome. Thanks for watching.